In this video, we will be going over comma usage, which can seem complicated, but is actually pretty simple. We will only be going over a few of the comma usage rules in this video using examples from Purdue University, but we will cover more in other videos. So the first rule I want to go over is what I and many others call the fanboys rule. This acronym stands for the 7 coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. The first rule states you can connect two independent clauses together with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. An independent clause can stand by itself. Let's look at this example here. The game was over, but the crowd refused to leave. The game was over is an independent clause, just like the crowd refused to leave, because it can stand alone as a sentence. But is our coordinating conjunction and our comma. The student explained her question, comma, yet the instructor still didn't seem to understand. Yesterday was her brother's birthday, comma, so she took him out to dinner. A comma and a coordinating conjunction, one of the fanboys, can connect an independent clause and another independent clause. The second comma rule we're going over today is to use commas after introductory clauses, phrases, and words. When you start the sentence with an introductory clause, which often uses although, while, since, and if. Let's look at these examples. While I was eating, the dog scratched the door. This right here, while I was eating, is the introductory clause. This rule, however, can't be switched. If the bell starts ringing, you got to get to class is correct, but you can't say you got to get to class, comma, if the bell starts ringing. The next rule we have here is to use commas to sector the non-essential information. The non-essential information can be a phrase, word, or clause. A lot of kids have trouble recognizing the non-essential information, but think about it like this. If you took out the non-essential information, the sentence should still sound grammatically correct. Let's look at a phrase example. The restaurant has an exciting atmosphere. The food, on the other hand, is rather bland. The non-essential information here is on the other hand. We can easily remove this and the sentence is still grammatically sound. The restaurant has an exciting atmosphere. The food is rather bland. Let's look at the word now. I appreciate your hard work. In this case, however, you seem to have overexerted yourself. However is a non-essential word. You can still say, in this case, you seem to have overexerted yourself. Finally, the clause example, that Tuesday, which happens to be my birthday, is the only day when I am available to meet. We can easily take out which happens to be my birthday. That Tuesday is the only day when I am available to meet. The final rule we're going over today is commas can be used to separate 3 or more words in a list or series. This is one of the most common uses of a comma. A mistake I made a lot as a kid was putting a comma before the and in a list, right here, which would be incorrect. I've decided to go with the red, blue, and green. The person had stolen a purse, $300, a phone, and earbuds. Thanks for watching.